So welcome back to my channel, guys. Today right now we are going for the Sydney city tour, but before we go to the Sydney city tour, we are gonna have a breakfast, and luckily first day we're gonna have Indian breakfast. So yeah, I'll see you once I have my breakfast. So right now we are going to Opera House, like I told you before, and now we are done with our dinner and it's time to board the bus. So there was a slight change in plan. We were supposed to go to Opera House, but right now we came here to the Sydney Tower. I'll just show you a glimpse of Sydney Tower right now. This place somehow reminds me of my Europe trip, because all the architecture are like, I mean the buildings here are in European style, so it somehow resembles Europe. I don't know, my eyes I look tired, but honestly I'm not tired. Now that we're done with the security thing, now it's time for us to enter the tower. So yeah, right now we came here on top. It's 250 meters, the tower height, and from here you can see the entire Sydney city in the bird's eye view. So now that we're done with the Sydney Tower, I think next we'll be going to the Opera House. Well, let's see. I told you before we'll be going to Opera House first, then to the Sydney Tower, but then there was a change in plan. First we visited the Sydney Tower and then we'll be going to the Opera House right now. So yeah, let's go. And right now we are in the mall called West End, and this happens to be the biggest mall in Sydney. Basically this happens to be a shopper's paradise where you can come shop. So right now, as I told you before, I'm here at the Opera House. As you can see, that's the Opera House, and right in front of Opera House, that's the Harbour Bridge. And can you see the cruise? It's considered as 7th biggest cruise. Suddenly the weather got worse, it started drizzling. Well, now that we're done with the Opera House, we are going to Darling Harbour. We'll be taking a ferry from here to go to Darling Harbour. So let's go and check out what we can see. Well, that's the taxi. That's the water taxi.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see?
And honestly, it's pretty cold here. It's easily around 8 degrees Celsius. I feel a little cold now. And you can see this is beautiful place. And like I told you before, it's kind of raining as well. So this makes it a little more difficult for us to walk because it becomes very cold. Well, my camera battery is about to die, and that's it for Sydney's city tour. So in case you like the video, please don't forget to hit that like button and please do subscribe in case you haven't. Until then, goodbye.